What did you ride here today? A bus? A car? It could be something else. But in the future, this could all change. In the future, all the trucks and cars on the road could be driving on their own. And if that kind of technology came into our lives, a lot of things could change. Now first, let's see self-driving cars. The current most common self-driving vehicle. Now, we currently don't have perfect self-driving cars, but if that kind of technology became perfect, first, driver's license and drunk driving wouldn't really matter since we wouldn't need to drive. And if that kind of technology went into taxis or buses, bus taxi drivers would disappear. Now, talking about taxis, a self-driving taxi made by SMW and 42 Dot is in the making, and Hyundai Motors already started their trial runs with their self-driving taxis, and they have plans to put it in use until 2023. Now, usually, delivery men have to always drive the trucks and deliver your packages to your front doors, but in the future, not only that, robots can drive the trucks and deliver your packages. But not only that, drones could work in delivery as well. In 2013, Amazon announced that they would use drones in delivery, but to this day, they haven't really succeeded. But if that kind of technology did succeed, global warming would decrease, since less trucks means less gas, and it also means less using of fossil fuels. And there's another benefit, less cars and trucks on the road would mean the decrease of car accidents. Now, we talked about self-driving vehicles. Now let's see what will happen if more highly developed AI and robots came into our lives. Now, like I said, robots and AI have very intelligent AIs. They can change our lives dramatically as well, but not every side is perfect. They do have some downsides. Self-driving means no drivers. A lot of people will lose their jobs, but this is only a temporary problem. As time goes on, new jobs will be made. Now let's see what happens if these kind of technology became perfect and came into our lives. There will be drones flying around with packages, and your delivery will get to you very quickly. As you get your package and leave to work, your AI butler tells you what you need to take with you. As you get in your car and stay at the destination, the car will roll on by itself while you can sleep or do something else. Also, since car accidents have decreased massively, you safely arrive at work. Now, a lot of people will lose their jobs. The economy will be defaulted. But it is very clear that humans do need these kind of benefits from these self-driving vehicles and highly developed AI. Because of the new phase of self-driving vehicles and AI, a lot of things will change in the cities around us, both good and sometimes bad ways. So next time you drive somewhere or get a package, get a delivery, I hope you think about what would happen to us and our cities if we were already using self-driving vehicles and AI. Thank you.